Meet the Changli Nemika, the world's cheapest electric microcar, starting at just around made in China and available online. It's a compact EV that redefines affordable transportation. Despite its low price, it features a surprising set of comforts. LED lights, a reverse camera, a basic stereo system, and even air conditioning in some models. It's powered by a small electric motor, perfect for city commuting at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. With a range of 25 to 40 miles per charge, it's not built for highways, but for urban errands, it's shockingly fun, functional, and mind-blowingly cheap. City Transformer CT2. The City Transformer CT2 is revolutionizing urban mobility with its groundbreaking variable width chassis, allowing drivers to shift between two modes: city mode for tight spaces and performance mode for higher speeds and enhanced stability. Measuring just 2.5 meters in length and 1.6 meters in height, the CT2 is designed to fit modern city life perfectly. Powered by a 48-volt, 15 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, the CT2 delivers a range of 120 to 180 kilometers on a single charge, ideal for daily urban commutes. It reaches a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour in performance mode and accelerates from 0 to 50 kilometers per hour in just 5 seconds. For safety, it includes advanced driver assistance systems like blind spot monitoring and forward collision warning, FCW. Inside, the CT2 features a futuristic interior with a hexagonal steering wheel, digital display, and automotive-grade controls. Air conditioning comes standard, with optional enhanced cooling. The commercial variant offers up to 450 litres of cargo space, making it practical for business use. Scheduled for series production in late 2026 and priced at approximately €16,000, the CT2 is more than a microcar. It's a smart, sustainable solution for modern urban challenges. Squad Solar City Car. The City Transformer CT2 offers a breath of fresh, compact innovation. Engineered for the challenges of dense urban environments, the CT2 features a unique shape-shifting chassis, allowing it to contract for tight traffic and parking or expand for stability at higher speeds. It's agile, efficient, and sustainable. Everything a modern city car should be. Unlike recent EV stories, like Tesla allegedly resetting a Cybertruck's odometer in service or Rivian's emergency energy backup role, the CT2 focuses on clean mobility without controversy. It's not just about flashy tech, it's about practical, sustainable solutions. Built with eco-friendly materials and boasting ultra-low energy consumption, the CT2 is redefining what it means to drive green. The interiors combine recycled elements and minimalist design to create a luxury experience that's ethical and efficient. As Nissan eyes Toyota for survival and Yamaha pushes to eliminate e-bike charging, City Transformer is already delivering a real working solution for smart cities and a greener planet. For those tired of oversized, overhyped EVs, the CT2 is a wake-up call. City Transformer CT2. Drive smart. Drive sustainable. Drive the future. XEV-YOYO. The XEV-YOYO is an innovative micro-electric vehicle designed specifically for urban environments. With its ultra-compact length of just 2.53 meters, it easily navigates tight city streets and fits into small parking spots, making it perfect for city dwellers seeking efficiency and convenience. The YOYO delivers a zero-emission driving experience with a range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge. One standout feature is its battery swapping system, which allows drivers to quickly exchange depleted batteries for fully charged ones in just minutes, eliminating long charging waits. Inside, the YOYO boasts a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus Bluetooth and USB connectivity. Comfort is key, with ergonomic seats, air conditioning, heating, and an optional panoramic roof enhancing the ride. Safety isn't overlooked, featuring ABS, 4 disc brakes, seatbelt sensors, and a high-strength steel frame. Additional perks include keyless entry and start, customizable side panels, and a smart app for remote control and battery monitoring. Priced at around $15,900, the XEV YOYO combines smart urban mobility with sustainability and style, making it a compelling choice for eco-conscious city drivers. TOYOTAFT-ME. The TOYOTAFT-ME is a bold leap into the future of micro-mobility, an all-electric, ultra-compact vehicle designed for the modern city and a wider range of drivers. Measuring under 2.5 meters in length, the FT-ME is built to navigate crowded streets and tight parking spaces with ease. One of its standout innovations is the solar panel roof, which adds up to 20 to 30 kilometers of range daily, reducing dependence on charging infrastructure. Its hand-operated steering makes it accessible for wheelchair users and those with limited mobility, eliminating the need for pedals and promoting inclusive design. Toyota prioritizes sustainability, using recyclable and eco-friendly materials throughout the FT-ME's construction. Its energy-efficient drive system consumes up to 3 times less energy per kilometer than traditional electric vehicles, making it a climate-conscious choice. Smart features include keyless entry, 360-degree camera visibility, and intuitive controls, enhancing both safety and user experience. Styled with a helmet-inspired design and a clean black and white color scheme, the FT-ME is both eye-catching and practical. Priced at approximately $10,900, the Toyota FT-ME redefines what a small EV can be: accessible, intelligent, and environmentally responsible. It's not just a car, it's mobility for all. KIA Concept PV1. The Kia Concept PV5 is the first model in Kia's platform Beyond Vehicle PBV lineup, offering a forward-thinking mobility solution tailored for modern cities and dynamic business needs. Built on a flexible electric platform, the PV5 is more than a vehicle. It's a modular transport ecosystem designed for urban passenger movement, delivery services, and autonomous applications. With 3 primary configurations: basic, passenger, van, delivery, and chassis cab, the PV5 adapts seamlessly to a wide range of use cases. The basic passenger model offers a spacious, expandable interior, wide double doors, and ergonomic seating to ensure comfort, accessibility, and ease of use for everyone, including those with mobility challenges. The cabin features foldable passenger seats for additional storage, making it ideal for ride-sharing, taxis, or specialized transport services. With advanced software integration and a futuristic design, the PV5 provides maximum utility without sacrificing style or sustainability. Kia is also developing the PV5R, an autonomous version targeting a global launch in the late 2020s. Priced around $35,000, the Kia Concept PV5 is a versatile, tech-forward EV that's ready to support the future of urban mobility and smart business operations.